You are listening to the Bug School Podcast, powered by Back School of Tech. It's not about code, it's about clarity. So, you've been watching tutorials. I've sent you several videos, you've attended my classes, you've taken a lot of courses on Udemy and Coursera, at Old School, at Digital. You've literally been learning. You've written a lot of codes, you built a lot of tools, you've documented. Now the next thing is, when do you actually start building something real? And that is exactly what this episode is all about. Moving from being a learner to being a doer. Many of us get stuck in what I call a tutorial prison. You know, that phase where you keep saying, I'll start my own project after I finish this next course. And 6 months later, you're still taking courses. And the fact is, you will never feel 100% ready to build. You just have to start. You just have to put out something. Tutorials are meant to give you tools, not answers. They show you how things work, but your project is where you learn why things work. So I have a few steps that can help you move from watching to doing. Step 1, which is pick something small, something basic. Don't try to build $1 billion idea or try to document a product requirement or something. Build something you can finish in a maximum of 3, 4, 5 days or maximum of 2 weeks. Even if it's ugly, it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a personal website, it could be a documentation, it could be a simple project topic ideas that you can try out. You can try regardless of whatever skill that you're focused on. I have everything for you. If you want it, just get in touch with me. I would forward it to you. So step 2 is use what you already know. Stop chasing new tools for every idea. If you've learned a bit of coding, start using it. If you learn a bit of business analysis, start creating requirements, start doing research. If you know Figma, pick up something. You'll learn more while building than while scrolling through more tutorials. And one of the key things that many people tend to experience as a challenge after learning is they claim not to have time to practice. They claim not to have time to, build up something. And yeah, there might not be enough time, because I've seen cases where we have people who have a full-time job and they only tend to sit down about 30 minutes or less to work on some practice assessment or some practice project. But even if it's 10 minutes you have every day, you could still be able to build up something. All you just have to do is pick one of those simple tasks one after the other, then break them down into about 10 minutes each every day. You would be able to try out something every day. Now the next one is documenting your progress. Now this is one of the key interesting things. You can post what you're building, even if it's not perfect, even if it's rough. If you have a tech community that you can share your work with, or on Twitter or LinkedIn, be willing, be confident to post your work. Share what broke and how you fixed it. That's how you build confidence and get feedback. Plus, it reminds you that progress isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Then the next one is expect failure and build anyway. Expect failure and just build. Your first project, your first documentation would not be perfect. Your design might look off. You might even hate it halfway through, but that is where every one of us started. The real growth happens after the frustration, because every mistake you make, they all add up to becoming an experience. And finally, the last one is learn to finish, which is one of the most challenging thing many of us are trying to battle with. But we just have to learn to finish. Don't abandon your project halfway. Even if it's not perfect, wrap it up, launch it, post it, and move on to the next one. Finishing it is a habit, and every finisher eventually becomes a builder. Tutorials are great, but your first real education begins when you build something that didn't exist before. Start small, stay consistent, and most importantly, stop waiting to be ready. Just start now. So that is all for now. See you in the next episode.